In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quick Steps in Outlook. Quick Steps are a fantastic tool designed to simplify and streamline your email management by allowing you to perform a series of actions with just one click. Whether you're dealing with a high volume of daily emails or simply trying to organize your inbox more efficiently, Quick Steps can be a game changer. Let's start by opening Outlook. Once you're in, navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. In this area, you'll find the Quick Steps section. This is your hub for accessing and managing your Quick Steps. Outlook comes with a few default options that you might find useful right from the get-go. These include everything from moving emails to a specific folder, sending a team email, marking tasks as done, replying to and deleting emails simultaneously, and more. You can customize these existing Quick Steps or, even better, create new ones tailored to your specific workflow needs. For our demonstration, I'll walk you through creating a new Quick Step that moves emails to a folder immediately, which is incredibly helpful if you frequently organize your messages into specific folders. To create a new Quick Step, stay in the Home tab and locate the Quick Steps section again. Look for and select the option to create new. This will open up the dialog where you can begin customizing your Quick Step. We'll give our new Quick Step the name Move to Clients. It's important to choose a name that clearly reflects the action you'll be performing, so you can easily remember and use the Quick Step later on. Next, under Choose an Action, you'll find a drop-down menu. This menu is where you decide what action or actions your Quick Step will perform. For our example, you're going to select Move to Folder. After that, choose the specific folder where you want your emails to be moved. In this case, let's say you want them to go directly into your Clients folder. But wait, there's more you can do to enhance this Quick Step. You have the option to add additional actions. For instance, you might want to mark these emails as read once they're moved, or perhaps flag the messages for follow-up, ensuring you don't miss out on anything important. Once you've set up all the actions you want, click Finish, and that's it. You've created your new Quick Step. Now, whenever you receive emails that need to go to your Clients folder, a single click on your newly created Quick Step will perform all these actions simultaneously. This not only saves time, but also helps maintain a tidy and organized inbox without the repetitive manual steps. Through the use of Quick Steps, managing your emails becomes less of a chore and more of an efficient routine. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do in staying organized and productive with Outlook.